Hey, what's up everyone? It's Ben at ProFixer, and I wanted to show you how to add a logo to any of the photos that you have that you want to post to your Facebook, Instagram, wherever else you want to put them, but just a way that you can quickly edit them with text and also with logos. So the app that I'm going to show you here is Phonto. You can download it from the App Store for iOS and also for Android, using it on an iPad. Just use it really wherever. I use Illustrator. If you're already using that, continue to use it because it has a little more features than this, but this is a really, really good option that you can use to add your logo to your photos. But first things first is go and in the app and go to your photo albums, and you want to select the photo that you want to add the logo to. So this is the one in particular that I want to show you in this video. On the bottom here, you'll see a bunch of different like Instagram type filters. I would just recommend leaving it like normal because it gets kind of a little bit crazy whenever you use those. Click done. You'll add it to your canvas here, which then you can click these three little bars on the side and you can click add image. You should have already saved your logo to your camera roll. Your logo needs to have no background, so if it does, go ahead and select it. It'll drop it onto the image here, and you can place it wherever you'd like. You can also resize it, so just tap on the logo, click size, and then you can use the plus and minus. You can drag this little bar over, but you can make it small if you want to put in the corner. And so in this particular one, we're going to set it right there. And then at this point, everything looks good, and we will then click the action button, save the image, and go back to our camera roll, which we then see it here. It keeps it really high quality too. So all the edges, they're not pixelated or anything like that. It's going to look just like you did on your computer. And then the image of the phone or whatever image you have stays really nice as well. Then at this point, you can then post it to your Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want, but it's a really quick way. So you can do that in less than a minute to a lot of your photos and have all of your stuff ready for scheduling and whatnot to post up. But if you have any questions, let me know, but hope you found this useful. And just a reminder, the app is called Phonto, and it's available on Android and iOS. But y'all have a great one.